If you're someone that size matters, you got to check out this new KZ Connect. This thing is huge, coming in at just over 38 feet long on a bumper pull. This is a great big trailer, dual slides, tons of space. So if you're looking for something to live in, or you're just looking for lots of space, this is the one. This is the KZ Connect 333, dual slides. So opening up here, you're gonna get the center island down the middle, nice size big farm sink here. We swing around into the kitchen, lots of prep space, lots of counter space as we come back in here. This is all underlit, so it gives it that really nice high-end feel. Coming around, you've got microwave built in, still doing the ovens as well as your burners here on top. So tons of cooking ability here. You've got this space back here that can be an appliance shelf. You got power here, put your coffee maker up here and just let it stay there. Coming across, you've got 12 volt, 10 cubic foot fridge, tons of space in here. These things are super efficient, gives you lots of good performance. And then look at this pantry area, just tons of space. Again, this isn't a fifth wheel, this is a bumper pull. You usually don't see that sort of thing in the bumper pulls. As we swing around here, good sized dinette. I'm not a little guy, I got tons of space here. Easily get 4 people in here, nice big windows. And then look at this. Look at this couch. Nice recliners. You've got the center console that'll put down. You've got power here for charging. Straight across from your TV area, which is what you want. You're not sitting here looking at a sidewall. Straight across so you can enjoy your smart TV, as well as it has the electric heater fireplace. Beautiful area, easily able to be lived in, spend a lot of time in. Let's go take a look at the front. All right, big barn door, heading into a very well-appointed bathroom here. Nice vanity, glass on the vanity door here, so you got a nice mirror, porcelain toilets, tons of space as you walk in here, full-length mirror on the back of the door. This shower is a very good size shower. I'm 6 feet, got tons of room in here, plus the skylight. Easily be able to shower in here, no problem. What's making this so big is this big slide that's the bedroom and the bathroom. With this slide out, it opens this thing up. Plus you've still got all this storage in here. So that's what's always missing in RV bathrooms, is a place to put your towels and toiletries. Now you've got the medicine cabinet over the sink, but also all these shelves and drawers down below it. Okay guys, so here we are coming through the pass-through bathroom, or you've got your entrance in through the hallway. So either way leads into the bedroom. And again, here we are coming in with this big slide on this side, more storage. This top one here is your washer and dryer prep area, where you're not going to put that in. There's a clothing rod in here so you can hang more clothes. 2 nice big drawers below it. Big king bed on the slide. So when they put that king bed on the slide, makes tons of walk around room, plenty of space in here. And look at this, ladies, a makeup vanity in the bedroom. When's the last time you saw that in an RV? It's the first one I've ever seen. It's fantastic. It comes with the stool, nice work area here, backlit mirror in the bedroom. This can be your space. He can put his stuff somewhere else. As we're coming up in here, TV mounted on the wall straight across again from the bed, so you can lay in bed and watch TV. Got another nice cabinet here with a couple really nice sized cabinets and 3 drawers going down the middle. We're going to have glass on the one side of the slide as well on this side, so you can get some nice pass-through air. And then as we swing forward here, the whole front cap, more closet, more storage, all tons of space to hang your clothes in. Just tons and tons of room in this rig. All right guys, so here we are on the outside. Again, size matters. This is a big trailer. The Connect 333 RLK, a little over 38 feet long with the hitch. Tons of trailer here, guys. Look at these awnings. You got 2 big awnings, 29 feet of awning on this rig. So tons of space out here. You're gonna have shade. You'll be able to hang out. And what do you need when you're hanging out outside? You need your outdoor fridge. So here's gonna be your cool drinks while you're sitting outside, readily accessible. Last thing you're gonna need is your outdoor TV, so you can watch the game, sit out here, enjoy yourself, enjoy your friends. So we're moving forward here. Nice glass doors, solid steps, of course, is becoming almost standard. Under this side here, we've got your outdoor speakers. And then as we roll up to the front here, nice size pass-through area here. It's all lit in here. This place, great place for your hitches, your wheel chocks, your broom, stuff you don't want to store inside. Power stabilizers front and back. And then let's swing around to the front here. We got dual propane tanks, but look at this cap, guys. Beautiful on this rig. It's a molded fiberglass front cap, painted, and I love the logo being black on top of the black. I think that is so sexy. I think it looks great. You're gonna be the best looking trailer going down the road for sure on this. KZ Connect 333 RLK. I'm Todd down at Motor Sportsland. Come down, take a look. I'd love to show it to you in person. We've got our Salt Lake lot and also one down in Spanish Fork, but come here, I'd love to show it to you. And as always, if you like the walkthrough, give us a like and subscribe.